Meet the COSLUS E2, patented desktop water flossing, engineered for a cleaner, healthier smile for all of us. For trust and safety, we're BPA, free, CE, and FCC certified, and chosen by more than 8 million users. Let's open the box and set up our daily clean. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing the E2, we have the main unit with a compact upright stand and a 600 milliliter detachable water tank. We have the patented vertical nozzle storage box with quick drain ventilation and an adapter. User manual. And inside are 5 pro tips. The standard jet tip for everyday cleaning, an orthodontic tip that navigates around braces, a tongue cleaner tip for fresher breath, and a periodontal tip designed to reach along the gum line. Everything is organized, dry, and ready for family sharing. Let's look closer at the powertrain. COSLUS R&D built this with advanced high-frequency water pulses delivering 10 to 160 psi and up to 1,400 pulses per minute. That means targeted plaque removal while staying gentle on our gums. Personalization is simple. We choose between 2 modes, floss for deep cleaning and massage for gentle gum care, and then dial one of 12 pressure levels. Together, that's 24 tailored routines, so everyone at home, from ages 6 to 60, finds a comfortable, effective clean. Here's our quick start. Fill the tank with clean, lukewarm water and lock it into place. Click a tip into the lightweight handle until it seats with a firm fit. Press the power button, select floss or massage, and set the pressure. Levels 1 to 6 are ideal for kids, seniors, sensitive gums, or first-time users. Level 7 to 12 are great for experienced users and deep cleaning days. Adjust the tip angle, lean over the sink, and slide the handle switch to on to start a helpful note. At 0 on the dial, the device is in standby and won't spray. For safety, the unit also features an automatic shutoff after 3 minutes. Let's match tips to real needs. We use the standard tip for routine plaque removal and interdental cleaning. We switch to the orthodontic tip when cleaning around brackets and wires. We choose the periodontal tip to trace the gum line and around implants with a gentle flow. And we finish with the tongue cleaner tip for a fresher feel and better breath. Handling is effortless. The non-slip grip keeps the handle steady even with wet hands, while the 360-degree rotatable nozzle helps us reach back molars, tight gaps, and tricky angles without strain. The stable base keeps our counter organized, and the large 600 milliliter tank supports longer sessions or back-to-back use when the family shares. When we're done, slide the handle switch to off, press power to shut down, and empty the remaining water. Rinse the tank, let the patented storage box air vent the tips dry, and we're ready for tomorrow. With quality materials and an efficient design, E2 is built to last, up to 3 years with typical use. Whether it's sensitive gums, braces, implants, tooth gaps, or everyday care, COSLUS E2 adapts to us, not the other way around. Powerful when it counts, gentle when it matters. Add COSLUS E2 to cart and make a healthier smile our new daily habit. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.